So yeah, so this was our project. We are actually 5 guys: Sergio, me, Karan.
Yeah.
We know then
Anish,
and then this is the
He came
project.
directly from Spain to work on this project.
The project was about to transfer
Hasta mañana.
the sound signal
The
from,
video
from,
signal
from the transmitter to receiver via optical fiber cable. So we were working hard on that, and then we did it. So this is the transmitter, and this is this circuit is for the receiver, and here we can see the speaker part. So we hooked up our cell phone to this side for the sound input, and this is, you can see the optical fiber cable which goes from transmitter to receiver, and we used few ICs, potentiometers, capacitors, resistors. There's a whole combination we will come up with, and yeah,
I show the working part, man.
it's time to play some nice music, eh?
Yeah. ओए फोटो आ गई है अंधेरा आ रहा है हमें डार्क तो नहीं आ रहा
Here.
Now you can listen the outputs of the speaker.
So this is. So let's, you guys can see if I wait. If I stop the song, stop the music, there's no volume. And if I play it again, there's music. So this is the group. Come on, guys. This is the group. Yo.